if you're a DJ working as a professional and you don't have a contract, you need to stop what you're doing and you need to get a contract. Every event, every time you're working, you should have a contract in place to guarantee that you're protected as well as your clients and events are protected. So let's talk about what should be in your contract. First and foremost, your name, your information, all the information about you, and of course, the person you are working for should be clearly spelled out. Also, the details about the event itself, the start time, the end time, the location, the room name, and anything else related to that particulars of that celebration. Next up, you need to have information about your services, the things that they will be getting in exchange for the amount of money that they will be paying for your service. Any special editions, services, or anything for that matter needs to be spelled out in this contract so that you and of course they are both protected. Next up is the terms part of this contract. And in that part of the contract, you need to include what you'll be giving to them in exchange for the money. Also, what happens if things don't go as planned? What's your cancellation policy? What happens if you get sick? What about COVID? All of these things need to be included in some way, shape, or form so that you are protected as well as they are protected for anything that could come up in the future that is unforeseen or not planned. Finally, you need to make sure that this contract is signed by you and of course the client that is hiring you for the event, and that could be an electronic signature or an actual signature written out in person, whatever it is. Anyway, these are some things that you need to have in your contract, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to smash the thumbs up or the heart button down below and just swipe up for the next video right here. Quick tips for new DJs from me, Jason Jani. Thanks for watching.